If they use After Effects, you go agree with me say one thing wey dey difficult na to generate script for your After Effects expression. But all those days don pass because me I no dey worry myself again. I dey use AI dey generate scripts. Anything wey I want, I go just tell AI.
So my After Effects don open and I get this text 0. So I wan do countdown from 10 to 0. So instead of me to begin a struggle, dey find way to do the countdown. I go just open my browser, go ChatGPT, create a countdown After Effects expression script from 10 to 0. So I go just copy am, paste am. The good thing about ChatGPT be say your English no even need to correct. I click on send. Im go load. Im go show you this script. Even if you no know how to do am, if you read this instruction, im go tell you how you go take do am. Create a new layer, select the text layer and press T, blah 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 blah. You go just click on copy code. You open your After Effects back. You press this arrow down. You go see text. Press the arrow down too. Then you see this will be like clock. Hold option, press this thing, then Ctrl V to paste that way you don copy. Then if you come out now, you go see am saying don show you 10. If you play now, 9, 8, 7, 6. I no do anything again. So that the script now don sengemenge. Everything don set.
I hope so you understand. If you like, you like. If you like, you comment. If you like, you share. Bye bye.